Hello everyone, my name is Man Patel and today I am going to solve LeetCode question number 1678, Goal Parser Interpretation. So let's understand the question first. Here we are given a goal parser that can interpret a string named command. The command consists of an alphabet capital G, the close brackets and or in bracket EL in some order. The goal parser will interpret G as a string same as G, the brackets as the string O, and the in string in bracket AL as the string AL. The interpreted string are then concatenated in the original order. Given the string command, return the goal parser's interpretation of command. So this is the question. Let's understand simply by your example. Here we are given command G, the brackets and in the brackets AL. So if we got G, we have to simply return G. In place of this bracket, we have to return O, and in place of this bracket and AL, we have to return AL. So the output will be goal. As you can see, the goal parser interprets the commands as follow: G to capital G, this brackets to O, and in bracket in AL to AL. As you can see in example 2 command, the G, the 4 brackets are there in AL, so the output will be G 4 times O AL. Same in example 3 also. So this is the question. Now let's write this code in C++ language. So first of all, I am going to take a string answer which will be empty. It will store the final result. So this is now I'm going to write a for loop I equals to 0, I less than command dot size. This loop will iterate through each character of the input string. Now I'm checking here, if I'm going to check here if condition, if command of I equals to capital G, then in answer we will push that same capital G only. So it is a case 1 in which if character is G, just add it to result. Another condition, in else if I am going to write if in else if command of I equals to the bracket, and this is the closing bracket, and in this else if condition I am going to write another if condition, if command of I minus 1 equals to this opening bracket, then in answer we will input in answer we will concatenate this O. So this else if is simply, this is the case 2 of our question. If we find a closing bracket, we will check the previous characters, and if the previous character is opening bracket, then we will simply replace this opening and closing bracket with O. Otherwise the last condition, in else the one pattern is only left, which will be AL in bracket AL. So in answer I will simply return AL. So this will replace the in bracket AL with the simple AL string. And after this I will simply after the for loop gets over, I am simply returning the answer. So this is the code. Now let's run the code here. As you can see, the wrong answer has came. Let's go through the code again. Okay, so here I have got my error. This else condition will come in this else if condition, because after, if I am writing this else condition after else if, it will go through all the conditions, and as you can see, every string, everything is converted into AL only. So this both string is converted into AL. So this is my error. Now let's run the code again. So as you can see, after solving the error, the code is successfully run and all the test cases are accepted here. So now let's submit the code. As you can see, the code is successfully submitted and runtime of this code is 0 ms. Thank you everyone.